Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes electronically. First, gather all your essential tax documents, like your W-2s and any Form 1099. Next, choose a reputable tax software or an IRS-approved e-file service that suits your needs. Finally, make sure you have your adjusted gross income, or AGI, from your previous tax return readily available. This is often needed for verification. Now, it's time to prepare your return. Begin by accurately entering all your financial information into the tax software. Take your time and double-check every entry to avoid any errors that could delay your refund or cause issues. The software will then automatically calculate your tax liability or the amount of your refund, making the process straightforward. With your return prepared, the next step is submission. Electronically sign your return, often using a self-selected PIN or your prior year's AGI for verification. After submitting, ensure you receive and save your confirmation number. This is proof of your submission. You should also expect an email confirmation from the IRS within 24 to 48 hours, confirming they received your return. After successfully e-filing, remember to keep copies of your submitted return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. You can easily track your refund status online using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the link in the description for The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.